In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add members to Hootsuite. Adding members is a common task when you are working with a team, sharing access to social accounts, or managing collaboration from one central place. By following these simple clicks, you will be able to invite a person to your Hootsuite workspace and complete the setup so they can start working right away. First, click Settings. On screen, you will usually see a gear icon or a menu option labeled Settings, located in the main navigation area. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace, then open Settings so you can access the tools and permissions related to people and access. Next, click Social Accounts and Teams. After you open Settings, look for the section that focuses on organization structure and what groups are allowed to manage. Social Accounts and Teams is the part of Hootsuite that controls how members connect to the accounts you manage and which team areas they can belong to. When you click this option, you should see a panel that organizes members and team-related choices. Then, click Members. This step matters because it takes you directly to the page where Hootsuite lists who currently has access. On the Members page, you might see existing members and their roles. If your goal is to expand the team, this is the right place to start, because it is where the system manages invitations and membership updates. Now click Add a Member. When you select Add a Member, Hootsuite will guide you through the process of bringing someone new into the workspace. At this point, the interface may show fields for member details and options for access. Follow what appears on screen and use the prompts exactly as they are presented. If the page offers role selections, those are there to determine what the new member can do, so pay attention to the options available. After you click Add a Member, you will complete the setup. Completing the setup generally means confirming the invitation or saving the membership changes, depending on what Hootsuite displays. Make sure you review any information shown on the screen before you finish. For example, check that you are adding the person to the correct team area or social account scope, if those choices appear during setup. Once the setup is complete, Hootsuite will update the member list or confirm that the invitation has been sent. Give it a moment for the page to refresh, then return to the members area to verify that everything looks correct. If you see the new person listed, that is a strong sign that the process completed successfully. Finally, keep in mind that member access can affect what someone is able to manage in Hootsuite. That is why the setup step is important. It ensures the right permissions are applied from the start, so the new member can collaborate without delays or confusion. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.